Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. Now, if you're not receiving email on your email inbox, these are the steps you want to follow to fix it. So let's get started. So generally, you want to follow these steps to rule out any issues. First thing is your internet connection. You want to make sure that it's working. In order to do that, pull down the control menu, put your phone on airplane mode briefly, and then turn it off. And you want to make sure either Wi-Fi or cellular data is working for you. You can test that out by going to a specific website just to make sure that internet connection is working for you. Now, once you verified that and did airplane on and off, the next thing to do is go ahead and just simply open up the app and swipe up to close it, and then open it up again and pull down like this to see if you can refresh and get your mail. It might be easy as that fix. Now, if that didn't work for you, the next thing to do is you're going to follow these steps to restart your phone. Quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to this side button. So I'll do volume up, volume down very quickly, one after another, and then I hold on to this side button here. And I'm going to wait until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo reappears before I let go of that side button that I'm just pressing and holding here. So this is going to force restart the phone, which basically shuts down the phone software, reloads the code. So if it's a software related issue that's causing mails not to come, it'll go ahead and fix this. This method will not delete any of your data. So all of your photos, videos, apps will be safe on your phone. Now, if it doesn't work for you the very first time, just keep on trying this method. If you're new to it, it does take a few times to get a hang of it. Keep in mind, it's just volume up, volume down, and then hold on to that side button. Now, once you have done that, the next thing to go ahead and check out is if you have enough storage on your iPhone. So for this one, you're going to go into your setting on your iPhone, general, and then there's a setting for iPhone storage. You make sure you have some free storage available on your phone here. As you can see here, I have 94 gigs. It'll tell you right here. If you're down to the last couple gigs, you might want to clear some space up by deleting some apps, maybe some photos, videos. That will free up some space. Now, once you have done that, the next thing to do is in your settings here, we're going to go down all the way to apps, tap on apps, and then find the mail app itself. So we're going to go to the M section here. So mail, like once you get to your mail section, you're going to go ahead and tap on mail accounts. And right here where it says fetch new data, we're going to tap on that. Make sure it's turned on. So if this isn't turned on, you can always turn this off and on. Make sure that is on. And then for each of the mail, you want to make sure that fetch is selected so you can get new mail. So as you can see here, fetch is selected, which is good. Now this, you can also click a schedule where you can, if you want mail more frequently, you can select it to be automatic so you can get the mail every frequently to get it. But keep in mind that will drain your battery a little bit faster, so you can do it 15 or even 30 seconds instead of manually doing it, just to see how that works out for you. So I'm going to keep it as is. And then from there on, the next thing to go ahead and do if you're still not seeing any mail is for each of the account that you have here, you can go ahead and tap on it. You can go ahead and try to delete the account and then re-add it. When you delete the account, it's just removing it from the mail app itself. It's not deleting the account on that mail server. You just delete it and then you re-add it on. So to re-add it, you're just going to click on add mail and then select it and re-add it. That will refresh the data as well. So following all these steps will definitely help you go ahead and fix your mail, and you should be receiving your mail now. And I hope this video is helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone, and we'll see you guys next time.